Hi guys, Dave here from Wolf in the Wild Survival, and we're technically not in the wilds today. We are at home in my trailer, and this isn't one of my trailer videos, not really, but it's been really rainy and not very nice the last little while. So getting into the woods, trying to shoot videos, it just hasn't been happening. So, you know what? I'm just gonna shoot them here. As you know, by the name of the video, this is a budget bushcraft for a company called Ultimate Survival Technologies. UST has been like a fairly big name in, the whole survival bushcraft community for quite a while, and it is just now starting to hit the Dollarama here in Canada. I don't know about wherever you're from, if it's there or not, but where I'm from, I'm starting to run into a lot of UST stuff at Dollarama, which, if it qualifies for budget bushcraft, this has got to be it, right? So what we have today, let's see if I can. It's kind of slow on that. The Ultimate Survival Knot Tying Learn and Live Kit. Now, wait a minute. Oh, okay, sorry. They're advertising for other kits that they have, which we will get into in another video. But this one in particular comes with the watertight case. We'll see, because I've had some of these cases before, not from UST, but other brands. They're not, anything to write home about. But that's not why we got it. A 8 centimeter carabiner. Again, whatever, it's carabiner. 30 feet of utility cord, which looks like it's in two 15-foot hanks. And you would obviously use that to learn how to tie your knots and whatnot. And then the knot tying learn and live cards. So, yeah, let's just get into it. Oh, well, the carabiner clip's right on the outside. Which is zap strapped. So do I have a knife anywhere nearby? No, that would be in the drawer. We'll just get that zap strap out of the way. Okay. UST carabiner clip. Seems to be relatively decent, but it's brand new, so you never know. We'll see how long they last. Oh, there was some tape on that. That's why it was a... Okay, yep, we have so it's like a nylon cord. It's I don't know. For learning purposes, it would be, usable. $30 of utility cord, not 30 feet. Sorry, guys. It's a little bit dim in here. The writing's kind of small, and I'm 50 years old, so there's a number of factors playing in there. Okay, so we got, you know, a few feet of cord here. Oh, we got another carabiner clip. The 8-centimeter carabiner clip. And it came with a little one as well. Alright. Learn and Live cards. 11 essential knots. They're, what do you call those again? I use them all the time. I have the tool to do them. I can't remember what they're called now. But the cards are like basically fastened together with one of those fasteners. I always forget words when I'm doing a video. I don't know why. They fly out of my head. Maybe I should start scripting this stuff. Okay, we've got the clove hitch, the figure 8 loop, clove hitch on a bite, the prusik hitch, the square knot, the trucker's hitch, the taut line hitch, and the double sheet bend. Oh, and the figure 8. Oh, wait a minute. The double fisherman. I already said the double. Yeah, they'll probably loosen up over time a little bit, make it a little easier. So, some pretty useful knots here. And I probably shouldn't show, like, every single card. You know, because then UST might be mad at me because people don't necessarily have to, you know, buy their product if they can just see what every card is and make their own. But they're on like a glossy, sort of like 1/3 of a credit card kind of plastic, sort of like really thin, but obviously waterproof. You know, it's got like some robustness to it, so they're not going to come apart easily. And all in all, for a beginner, somebody got hurt. For a beginner, for somebody who's not like super strong with their knots, that's really all you need right there. You could take that and you could put it in your wallet, you could drop it in your pack, you could put it in the fold of your hat, you know, whatever. You don't need like all of that. I'm sure, you know, it would be handy in situations, except maybe, you know, that, to be honest, use that in practice by all means. But I mean, yeah, all this stuff here, you know, maybe you could fill it full of a bunch of different carabiners, maybe some paper clips, safety pins, kind of whatever. But that's your reason for purchase right there. So, if you are new to knots, the UST knot tying learning, what is that? Knot tying, learning, and live kit. You know, I mean, for a couple of bucks, you never know. It could save you a lot of stress in the woods. That's everything for this video, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay wild.